Welcome to Linus Digital. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to code HTML and CSS. You have to know the meaning of HTML. What is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. It's used to structure content on the web. Like, think of skeleton, like a skeleton of a website. And the other hand is CSS. What is CSS? CSS, the full meaning of CSS is cascading style sheets. That is control how your HTML looks like, the color, the layout, the font, etc. So before we go into the details, let me show you the basic structure of HTML page. These are the basic structure of HTML page. I told you it's like a skeleton of the web. These are the basic structure. If you want to write the code, these are the basic structure of HTML. And let me explain the key elements of HTML. These are the key elements. Let me explain it. These are the key elements of HTML. Like doc type HTML, text, the browser, it's an HTML5 document. This is just a sign of instruction of what to do on the page, what you are building. This, if you want a body, you just write body. You see the body to be visible on the page. Everything. This is the element of HTML.
And this is how you can place your picture or any image or button on your website. This is how to write the code. Look at it. This is how to write the code. The length and everything, and the button. This is how to write the code on HTML. As you can see, you can adjust the width, the length of the image. You can click the button and everything will be available. This is how to write the code. This is also the practical aspect of it, what we just told you about HTML coding. You can see me writing a code, how I want the website to be. It's just a one-page site. So just watch to the end and you see the final result of it. Yeah, this is the final result of it. Is HTML, how to write HTML code. As for CSS, this is how it looks like. This is how you write your CSS code. You can see everything. Yeah, this is how CSS code look like. This color, the background, button, everything is here on the CSS code. I will be teaching you more about this CSS code on my next video. Please stay tuned.
So if you find this video interested, please subscribe, like, comment and share. You can drop any question on the comment section. Just drop any question you want to ask or anything you want us to teach you about. Just drop it in the comment section. And please share this video, like, comment, very important. This will help us to go more further.